This original dust collection system is a twin, I guess they're 60-inch long filters with the older style Oneida, 7.5 horsepower, feeding into a 55-gallon drum. This return box that I made, the weather has gotten to it. I made it out of plywood, which is not very good. So I bought some white oak. We're going to make it out of that. There's two baskets that go, one each under both of the round filters, and those were full of sawdust and so on. So you have to take those apart every now and then. This gate swings up, locks into position. I'm going to have to replace that. You can see where it goes into the shop. That's the return. And up there with one of my favorite Sunday white shirts is the original exhaust into the Cyclone. This is, compared to some of the other 7.5 horsepower systems, this is a larger diameter Cyclone. Now, what I did was right here, I cut about 8 inches out of the stand, and consequently had to dig a hole 8 inches down to get the right height, and the flexible wire reinforced vinyl 10-inch that goes into the 55-gallon drum. I usually just keep a black plastic bag in there, so it makes the disposal a lot easier. Yeah, there's always wasp and everything else around here. So that gives you an idea of what I'm up against. I'm taking this apart. The weather has really gotten to it. Plywood is just not the way to go, even if you put a, quote, spar varnish on there. So that's this segment going on in.